guys, in this video I'll be sharing with you all few efficient medical apps that help learning easier. Trust me, these are the best for beginners. So, first one is the basic anatomy, where you will be taught about systems, their origins and its functions. It helps you remember the exact location of any organ or a body or muscle. Basically, anatomy is the study of internal organs. It gives you an experience of a visual learning and helps you in a long-term memory. This way, you can remove the bones and get an overview of how it's arranged. This way, I am removing all the rib, and when I click on any organ, there is a specific detailing given above about that. So this is the mnemonics. Is generally it gives you an idea and or the association which assist in remembering something. Like it is generally a technique of improving the memory that helps you remember the subject knowledge easier. Yeah, and the mnemonics are very useful basically for the people who find it very difficult to remember. This is another application which is diseases and disorders. This has a record of all the diseases. I just want to tell is that this is easier for you to use. It's a best thing because you can not open the textbook every time you want to study about any topic or any specific disease. You can just use this application for learning that and anytime, like it's easy for you because most of the people use phones instead of studying books. So this is for you all. This is clinical, where the first thing which we are seeing here is general HX. That means a patient's general like medical history will be recorded over here, and procedure which you need to learn before becoming a professional doctor, that you have to take a record in this manner by taking down the person's name, initial, taken and kept as a history, so that the patient again comes for the next checkup for the next time. The history of the patient will be compared, and we to tell that it might having like improved or not. So for that the patient's history will be taken, and clinical sense is basically about that only. Different age group people will be facing a lot of problems with certain organs like lung, kidney, or intestinal tract, psychology, and endocrine skeletal problems. So for that you need to actually take the person's history and history for patients, guide them for approaching which specialized doctor they should be referring to or should go for. Concise Medical is another app that helps you as a dictionary for you. If you want to read about any word, or if you are bad at pronouncing, so this is good for both the ways, like to know the meaning of it and also for the pronunciation. So, yeah. Anatomy 3D Atlas. This helps in a 3D vision about an organ that gives you a exact copy of how the our body is made of and how a body internal looks like. And this is the best app. Also, this is having some free trials, but most of them you this is a paid application actually. There's another app which is medical terms, which actually gives you an overview from alphabet A to Z. The entire record of the words and terms are there in this app, and you can anytime just select the word and it gives you a meaning of the word, just like the dictionary, but here it has exact meaning of the word, and it's very helpful for the beginners and the medical students.